Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about package photo viewer in Flutter. Now we connect this package, open PubSpec YAML, then we open main.dart and update this file. Add parameter debug show checked mode banner right false, and need add images to assets. Now we look example single image display. Right parameter body, add widget center right child, and we write photo viewer image, add assets, add name image, hot restart and open emulator. Next example, we use network image. Add link, hot restart. And we can use next image. Next example, we look multiple images display. We use widget photo viewer multiple image. Index we write 0, then we write ID. Now we add image URLs, save, hot restart, open emulator. Next example, direct display function. We use gesture detector and we use on top. Then we use parameter child, add image dot asset, and we add image assets 0. Then we add show photo viewer. And we use builders, add image assets, then we add map, write URL, type map, we use widget builder, write return, write build context, return image asset, add URL Then we add width, write media query, of context, write size dot width, add feed, add box feed dot contain, add to list, save, and we add initial page 0, save and open emulator, add widget center, next example, gallery with thumbnails, and we use widget photo viewer multiple image, add image assets, and we add variables current index, then we add jump to page, index we add current index, ID we write gallery, add parameter on page change it, write index, add set state, add current index, add index, save, next parameter on jump to page, add jump to page, jump, save, next parameter overlay builder, and we add class gallery thumbnails, this custom class, and now we add parameters image paths, add image assets, next parameter selected index, add current index, and we add on top, write index, add jump to page, add index, save, hot restart, open emulator, that's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.